Hi there. So in this video, I'll demonstrate something that could be considered to be a heretical move by lots of Perplexity users. Essentially, I have this Comet browser and I want to change the default search engine from using Perplexity to use Google AI mode. So this is a new feature from Google that is now available globally, and in some ways it is actually similar to Perplexity and perhaps better than Perplexity. It is something that was created by Google, so it is connected to some other Google tools, and it is able to access a lot of websites on the internet. It can give you a summarized answer, and also you can chat with this AI mode. So I'll show you how you can change the default search engine from Perplexity to the Google AI mode, and I'll explain some benefits along the way. So to change the default search engine on the Comet browser, you can open a new tab and then click this menu, go to settings, and go to search engines right here. Click manage search engines and site search. And as you can see right now, the default search engine is Perplexity, but we are going to change that. So we have to add a new search engine because there is no option for Google AI mode, obviously. So click this button that says add, and then let's call this one Google AI mode. And for the shortcut, this is not really necessary, but I think it's still recommended to fill it with add AIM. So in case you are still using Perplexity, but you might want to use AI mode again, you can just type add and then AIM and then press tab, and then you can start searching based on the keyword or question that you want to ask to this AI mode. So that's the function, the purpose of shortcut in this matter. Now, for the URL, this is very important. You have to insert this exact URL. But don't worry, I'm going to provide the URL in the video description down below. Now, after that, click add. And you probably have to scroll down a bit, and let's click additional sites if you cannot see the Google AI mode that you just created. And here there is the option for Google AI mode, and you want to click this three-dot icon, click make default, and now Google AI mode is your default search engine on the Comet browser, which is a browser made by Perplexity. Now if I open a new tab, let's say I want to get latest AI news from AMD, I'm going to hit enter, and as you can see, it's not using Perplexity, it is using Google AI mode. And one benefit, I think one huge benefit of using this technique is that you have access to two very powerful AI tools. Like if you open a new tab and you want to search something using Google AI mode, just type the question right here. But if you still want to use Perplexity, then you can type the question right here. So two big AI tools available directly when you're opening a new tab on the Comet browser. So I think that's a major benefit of using this technique, or using Google AI mode as the default search engine on this Comet browser. So that's basically how you can do it. I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.